In such a way, we would be happy to participate in your surrogate or donor journey by offering the right candidate for surrogacy or donation which would meet your requirements. Be sure that all our surrogates and donors are ready to start anytime. All of them are thoroughly screened and checked as for their health condition, criminal background, and psychological state. Another, not less important aspect is medical services. We would select the best medical institution which would meet your requirements. We have the most complete database of clinics of Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, India, and Cyprus, providing medical services high quality. Intended parents make their decision governing by the information we provide them with. That information would refer the experience of the clinic in application of assisted reproductive technologies, medical staff, technology it uses, and of course the cost.